Weather caught on camera, and then Weather Center Live with the two of us is back at 10 p.m. Eastern Time with the latest forecasts and the top weather stories. And take a look at Washington, D.C. Remember, D.C., we're online all the time. Beautiful at our nation's capital tonight.
I thought my time was your time, and now the baseball fields are closed. You can sit around and wonder why you're alone and you don't even know. So come with me, baby, and I'll show you everything you need to know. Set the road is let me be down the road, and I gotta get home. I thought my time was your time, and now the baseball fields are closed.
Good Sunday evening, everyone. I'm